Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace MAP sensor on this 2021 and up Toyota Corolla. Super simple procedure. Pop and open your hood, lift it up, just like that, secure it using Phillips head screwdriver. After you disconnect that connector, press on the back and remove it. It's gonna be two Phillips head screw bolts. As you can see, I drop mine down, so be super careful. Remove both of them, gently squeeze and remove your MAP sensor. Then install it same way. As you can see, this is airflow direction. That means the air goes inside the engine this way. And put both screws back. Okay, and that's it guys, super simple. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next. Thank you and bye.